I got 5 new Hexbug Nanos. Refraction ones. My old ones.
When you watch it on the screen, it'll look like monsters.
No.
If you get too close, isn't it?
No.
Hi.
Hi.
The
That's
batteries.
sour stuff, huh?
Yeah,
They're fast. These new ones.
they're really fast. Huh?
It's hard to catch.
Yeah, just put it back in the bottle and send it back.
Your hands are pretty fast to catch those.
Ah. No, it's over there. Oh.
Noisy little bugger. Izzy's in. What the heck?
Now my old ones. Most of them are dead. They're not that fast.
Hey there, you little flea bag.
I think Izzy wants out.
What the? One of the legs just broke off. This one. This pink one.
Be dang.
It's not a new one though.
You want to let Izzy out?
People, the leg broke off. See?
You want to let Izzy out?
There's a missing leg.
What?
Want to let Izzy out?
Well, isn't that knowing is long?
Yeah?
I'm keeping him until he's done.
Oh,
I can't believe the leg's broken off that pink. I wonder where it went.
I don't know.
Ew. What the heck?
soda has.
It's not clear now.
It'll clear up as soon as the moisture goes out.
I know. I know that. My old ones are dead. Ah.
Doesn't know what he wants to do.
I can't believe the leg's broken, see? No leg there.
Huh?
For heaven's sake.
Well, I guess that is a good reason now since you got a new one. Because now that one's leg broke off.
Was a lazy Chinaman. Don't you think? Didn't do it right.
Well, they don't put them on good enough on these. This one's really low on batteries. That's my second one. That one's pretty fast still. My first one. But where the heck did the thing go? I bet it gets up easy on that side now. I can't believe it doesn't tip over.
Should I make it tip over?
It'll get back up. Well, maybe not because it's dead. But don't. That's the fastest one of the new ones, I think. It's hard keeping track of two of them. Ah. Oh, damn. It's hard.
Let's go back in there.
Yeah. Not gonna happen. This one's completely dead.
Yes? Yes, I'm right here.
We have work to do.
What?
Basement.
Okay, as soon as she gets her noodles, I'll make her go down.
Alright.
Right, Dad?
Yeah. Hey, aren't you putting mobile on?
You what?
Daddy's gonna be at home with gas.
That one's getting really dead. I wonder how hard it'd be to keep all of these on the table.
Pretty hard.
Yeah. Two more. Green and pink.
Gotta set traps for them.
Oh, I know, I need to.